As soon as you install your app through Apple App Store, you have to launch the app. On launching the app, you will get the information screen. The information screen will show you about how to transfer money, quick and easy pay bill payments, and will bring to the login screen. The login screen will have an existing customer login and a new to bank customer login. If a new to bank customer tries to log into the application, he will be redirected to account opening screen on the bank's website. He can click on open an account instantly and open his account, or he can go back. For existing customer, he can tap on existing customer login. The customer will be asked for various permissions. The first one will be to access your contacts. Second will be to access the camera. Third will be to send notifications. Third will be to allow location since it is a banking app. Then he'll be asked to send an SMS. He will send an SMS to complete the SIM binding process. Once the SMS is sent and the mobile number is verified, customer will receive a message, device has been registered successfully. He will click on continue. Customer will be able to see the customer information screen, post which he can click on proceed. On clicking on proceed, he will be taken to the login screen. The login screen will have login using MPIN and login with Face ID. We will try to log in using MPIN. Customer has successfully logged in through MPIN. Customer will be taken to the dashboard. The customer can see his details of his savings account, his wallet account. The customer will be taken and has a money transfer screen where he can see the fund transfer option and manage beneficiaries. Customer will be also shown a bill pay and recharge option where he can do mobile recharge, DTH recharge, electricity bill, can pay his electricity bill and water bill. Bank services. Under bank services, the customer can see my account reaping facility, manage card, locate us. The customer also has an option to refer a friend. The customer can use this option to refer a friend for opening a savings account through our bank. We'll log out of the app and check how we can log in through Face ID. Let's log in using Face ID. We'll ask for MPIN to verify. Once the verification is complete, we can enable Face ID. The customer has logged in successfully using Face ID. Now we will see how the customer can perform fund transfer. These are the list of added beneficiaries. Customer will select one of the beneficiary to initiate fund transfer. On click of the beneficiary, customer will be able to see the beneficiary name. Customer can enter the amount which he wants to transfer to the particular beneficiary. He can put a region. Press on continue. On click of continue, customer will get to see the details of the customer account as well as his account. He can click on pay. Click on pay, customer will receive an OTP. Customer has to enter the OTP, or he can copy the OTP. On verification of OTP, the fund transfer will be completed. The customer will be able to see the successful payment screen along with the details of the payment like transaction ID, date and time of the payment, and payment mode. A customer can press on OK or click on pay again to make the payment. We'll click on OK. Customer can go to manage beneficiaries and can add or delete beneficiary. We will try deleting one beneficiary. Customer can see a delete icon next to the beneficiary name. By clicking on delete beneficiary, you can see a confirmation screen asking for, are you sure you want to permanently remove the beneficiary? The customer clicks on yes, the beneficiary will be removed. We can go back and we'll perform mobile recharge. We have an existing mobile for which we had completed one recharge. recharge was of 100 rupees, so we'll just go forward with that. Click of pay. A customer's mobile number will get recharged. The details of the recharge will be populated to the screen with the successful recharge screen. The details will be transaction ID, the reference number, and the transaction date and time. Customer can go back on the top. Customer will be able to see his savings account card, his wallet card. If the customer holds a debit card, customer will have an option to check for manage card. On click of manage card, customer will be able to display his card. It will show the balance available in a savings account, the savings account number. The customer can go and set his transaction limits. He can set his ATM withdrawal limit, his POS limit, his online payment limit, etc. Customer can also change his card pin through the application by entering the CVV and the expiry date. Customer has an option to block card permanently. On click of block card permanently, customer will be shown a pop-up message asking for permanent block of the card. Currently we are doing no, since we do not want to block the card. He can go to the wallet card and check his view balance. The same is once he will click on view balance, he will be able to see his wallet balance. On click of view balance on the savings account card, he will be able to see his savings account balance. Customer can go on get statement and select the statement for maximum 3 months. If he wants to email his statement, he can click on email. The statement will be sent to his registered email ID. If the customer wants to put a custom date, he can also enter that using the select dates option. Here I am selecting 1st December to 9th December and clicking on confirm. Then I am emailing the statement to myself successfully. The email will be sent to the registered email ID. You can go down. If the customer has any issues with the application, he can press on help. Under help and support, he has 3 options. One is to call the call center team. Second is through WhatsApp. Third is through raise query. On click of WhatsApp, customer will be redirected through WhatsApp screen where he can start chatting by sending an hi. On click of raise query, customer will get an option to select the category of their query, the subcategory of that particular query, the details. He can enter the details of that query. He can upload a picture by click on upload. The email ID will be auto populated, whatever is registered with the bank. On click of submit, the query will be raised to the call center team. The customer will get a message that a query has been submitted successfully and an SMS will be sent to the customer. Customer will click on profile icon. On click of profile icon, customer can upload his profile image by using camera or gallery. Here we'll cancel. Customer can also check the details of his savings account by clicking on FinoPay savings account. On click of FinoPay savings account, customer will be shown the savings account page. On that page, customer can view the balance. On clicking of view balance, he'll be able to show his balance in the savings account. Can hide the balance. On click of view more details, customer will be shown the account type, IFSC code, customer ID, branch name, and nominee details. Customer also has an option To view his personal details, by clicking on view personal detail option, customer will be displayed the basic details like name, customer ID, date of birth, PAN number, IFSC code, branch name, and contact details, phone number, communication address, and permanent address. Customer can enable for sweep in facility by clicking on sweep in. He will be given a pop-up message. Card details. A customer can view his savings account balance by clicking on view card details. He can set his transaction limits as uh, explained earlier. He can change his card pin as well as block his card permanently, which was explained previously. Customer can click on settings. Under settings, he can change his M pin. He has to enter his old pin. Click on continue. Enter his new pin. Confirm new pin. Click on save. The M pin has been reset successfully. Customer can also enable or disable his Face ID using this option. Once he clicks on enable Face ID or disable Face ID, he will be asked for a confirmation message. Would you like to turn off Face ID in FinoPay app? Currently, we will skip this. You can also verify his app using checksum value display, which will be displayed on the bank's website, and there's a direct link to visit the website and check if the app has a checksum. It's done. We will log out of the app. On logging out of the app, we will again try to log in using MPIN. We will show you the forgot MPIN journey. Click on forgot MPIN. On the security question screen, customer will select the color which he had selected earlier. Click on next. And customer will select the monument which he had selected during setting the password. On selection of both the security questions, customer will be displayed a summary of the security questions he has selected. Post which customer will click on next, enter the new PIN, confirm the new PIN. The new PIN will be updated and customer will be registered successfully and redirected to the login screen. Thank you.